What's going on, guys? We're back with another installment of Studio Build. So these are all the parts that we picked out for Nick's PC. Before any of y'all even start, yes, we know it's overkill. Here's why. Nick definitely wanted to make sure that this system wasn't going to have any lag in it whatsoever. If I'm being honest with you, we're a bunch of nerds and we're probably going to game on this thing a little bit too. So he kind of said, here's the budget, let's get what we need. We all know ASUS motherboards. It's one of my favorite BIOSes to work with. That's why we chose that. Brand new Core i3, the 8th gen, because, you know, 8 months ago when I built my computer, it cost $300 to get 4 cores and 4 threads, and now it's like $130, so why not, since we're at it. 550 watt power supply, probably a little overkill, but yet again, room to grow and stuff like that. We never know what we're going to end up doing half the time. We went with a liquid cooler on this. This is the Captain 240EX. Reason being, we can keep the fan speeds really low, keep it quiet in the room for when we're mixing and stuff, and we don't have to put this thing in another room so it doesn't sound like an airplane taking off. Wi-Fi card, because Nick won't let me drill holes in the floor of his house for obvious reasons, so we wanted to be sure that we could keep all of our systems up to date. We got a FireWire card because we're going to be using a PreSonus board, so we'll actually be able to use that as a control surface inside of Studio One. And the motherboard that we bought didn't have FireWire, and they're 20 bucks. We're going to be rocking a Samsung SSD. We'll keep the operating system and all of our main programs on that just because they operate that much faster. We also have a WD Black 1 terabyte. That's going to be for mass storage, even though we don't really plan on keeping too many things for too long. Pretty much once we're done with the project, we'll bounce it down and put it on our own stuff. So we also did decide to go with a graphics card because we're going to run dual monitors so we can have a mix window and an actual like playback window. And Nick's a nerd and is probably going to game, so we went with the GTX 1050 just because DRAM's freaking crazy expensive right now. It's a cheap graphics card, and we're going to be working on 720 monitors, so it doesn't have to be that crazy. NZX TS340 Elite. Oh, this is not the Elite version. This is just an S340 case. I have one of these built in it before, and it's red and black. And if you can't tell already, this is going to be a red and black system because Nick is a Star Wars nerd, so he made me build the Sith PC, and we'll actually end up doing a custom decal on the glass. 16 gigs of LPX Vengeance RAM in red because Sith, and we shouldn't have any lagging issues or anything like that, so we're not going to talk all the way through the build. There's plenty of build guides on there, but we're going to try to snag some sexy B-roll for you, so let's get started.